So guys, let's make simple and easy cake recipe. First of all, this is my flour, 2 cups of flour. Here is my milk. Here is my banana flavor. Here is my sugar. Here is my baking powder, and here is my 4 egg. So this is my egg. So guys, so I'll be using 4 egg for this cake, your cake without oven. So I want to show you all how to do it at home. Other egg. It's my egg. I'm using 4 egg. You see my 4 egg. After that, I'll add my sugar. Add all the sugar. After I add all the sugar, I'll start turning it. Make sure you turn everything very well. You will turn it until it turns cream white. Make sure you turn everything very well. After I turn it very well, I'll be adding my groundnut oil. I'm not using butter. So this is my groundnut oil. I have introduced my groundnut oil inside. So after I add my groundnut oil, you keep turning. Add your milk. This is my milk. Make sure you put everything. Everything is going down. Don't left to. After you add all the milk, you keep turning. Banana flavor. So I've added it. You have to keep turning. Flour. This is 2 cups of flour. So you'll be adding it small. You have to turn. I have not add my baking powder. So this is the baking powder I'll be adding. Turn. This is where the work is. You have to turn it very well so that the lump will go away. A little bit salt. See my salt. Let's add the remaining one and begin the job. This is my pan. You set this one aside. This is my, so that when I add my flour, it will not stick in the pan when the cake is done. So this is me trying to rub the oil inside the pan. Make sure you put oil in the pan so that it will not stick, so that it will be more easy to come out when you are done everything. Don't forget to add a little bit of flour inside also. It will also help it. Just a little bit. Your mixture inside. Have to do it so that it will balance inside. So let's head to another section. Because we are not using oven, we are using gas and the pot. So inside your pot, you add sand inside your pot so that it will help it to get hot quick. It will help it a lot. So this is a little bit sand that you'll be adding, not too much sand. After that, you on your gas, allow it to heat. You make sure you allow it to heat. If you have anything that you put inside to bring the pan up a little bit, like for me, I'll be adding a little bit of something inside. If you have this kind of thing, you add it here. That is where you will keep your pan, where you will keep the cake pan. So let's allow it to stand the heat a little bit before we add our cake. So you will be closing it, allow it to heat. You need to allow it to heat because that is your oven. So guys, the pot have heat very well. So let's add our cake. So this is the cake. We'll be leaving it for 45 minutes. So let's cover it. You guys have seen I have added to the oven. Everything has started doing their job. Let's allow it. Let's just give it 45 minutes and see what we have. Guys, the cake is done. The cake is done. You guys see how it is now. You see the cake is done. So I'll be taking it off light now. I'll be taking it off. So guys, this is our cake. Let's see how. So guys, this is what we have. So guys, this is the yummy cake. You can see everything is fine. The reason why this opening is here is because I constantly open it. So when you are baking your own, don't open it every time. So this is our cake. This is our yummy cake. You can see. So yummy. Oh. So let's cut it. Let's see. Wow, guys, can you see? Very fluffy. It's very fluffy. Are you see? God, I beg. So this is our yummy cake. Like I seen, it's very fluffy. It's bouncing. You see, it is not burn. It's not even burn at all. It's very okay. Thank you so guys for watching. I love you all. So, where is it?